I'm saying it with it. Almost win.
This is the test of the Police Department Emergency Warning and Information System. This test will not conclude by counting the warning system, siren system.